Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today is my wash day routine. So the first thing I did was to do a pre-poo stroke detangler, and I'm going to be using Okra for that. Alright, so Okra has amazing benefit for hair growth. I did a video about explaining the awesomeness in using Okra for your hair. It's in the channel, please do want to check it out. So this Okra is still hot and steaming. That is how I was able to get out the gel. All right, so but this graining stuff you guys are saying there, you can use it as a deep condition. All right, so I'm just going to strain this out, and we'll move to the next thing by applying in, like by adding in oil that we're going to use. So for the oil choice, I'm going to be using this pure almond oil, but you can use any other oil that you have in your kitchen or in your house. Okay, so this is going to help it to stimulate well on my hair. So I'm using my fork to mix everything together. So time for application, I'll be applying this directly on my hair. Okay, so I'm going to lose one section and apply it. This is the first mistake I made by just applying it first without losing the hair, but you need to lose your hair before you start with the application. And why I love this Okra gel is that it gives you instant hydration. If you're suffering from dry hair, okay, try incorporating Okra gel into your hair regimen and your hair is definitely gonna love it. So this is what I'll be doing, and I'm using this as my detangler stroke pre-poo. So here, this is the back of my hair. Can you see the coily definition is giving? Like it's super high coil definition. Like, can you see that, guys? Are you seeing that? Yeah, so this is what I had after applying the Okra on my hair, and over here it's the finished product. I'm just going to allow this to sit on my hair for 45 minutes, and after 45 minutes I will rinse this out and move in with my deep condition. Okay, so my deep condition of choice today is, I'm going to be using this particular one. It has amazing benefits for your hair growth. It's avocado, banana. There's a lot of awesome ingredients inside. I have a full video about this. Okay, you can do what to check my channel out. So this is my hair after I have washed out the Okra from my hair. The Okra you guys saw in the first few clips. Yeah, so this is what my hair looks like after I wash it. I use my shampoo to wash it, my DIY shampoo to wash it out. All right, so when you're washing okra from your hair, you have to use warm water, and the more you wash it, the more you see there's a more slimeliness to it. So you keep on washing it to make sure that the slimeliness has removed before you can apply in your shampoo. So I'm just sectioning my hair in 4 sections so that it's more easier for application. And this deep condition is really amazing. It moisturized my hair. My hair was feeling amazing. Like, my hair loved this deep condition. Okay, so I'm applying it on my hair. As I said, I worked in sections. This is the first section I worked with, and I love the feeling of my hair. Like, it was so good. As you guys can see, my hair is all detangled. I am done with this section. I'll do other section as well. I did the back first before I went in with the front. And after this, I'll carry this for an hour on my hair for the ingredients to penetrate well. If you can carry for 2 hours, it depends on how long you want to carry this on your hair. Can you see the ends of my hair? It's super beautiful, right? Yeah, so I was done. I decided to have a green smoothie, okay, as well, while my hair is absorbing the deep condition on my hair. So for my tea, I'm going to be using this particular tea. It has lots of hair growth benefit. Okay, I'm also going to be adding in my MSM powder inside. Okay, the full video of this tea will be coming up in the channel. So I use this 1/4 teaspoon, okay, for my hair tea. This is the teaspoon I always use each time I want to do a hair tea. I'm going to be adding MSM powder. I use that one. Then I'm just going to add this into my spray bottle and spray it on my hair. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share your beautiful comment. Yeah, which of any of these recipe will you be trying? A full video of each of these recipe is in my channel. Do watch it, check them out. So this is my hair the next day. Okay, after it has dried, I always allow my hair to air dry before I apply or put in my hair tea or any other thing I want to put on my hair. Yeah, so I'm going to be spraying this all over my hair and work in section as well. So what I'm doing right now is to spray in the tea. After spraying in the tea, I'll be going in with my okra, okay, as a leave-in condition. That's what I'm going in. I'll go in with the okra, then I'll go in with the rest of the routine I always do anytime I wash my hair and I'm getting my hair ready for it to be braided. So this is what I'll be doing. I hope you enjoyed this particular video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment. This is how I take care of my hair on my wash day routine. Yeah, so I see a lot of difference on my hair, and using this okra I can see there's like a coily definition on it. Like okra always step up for C hair. So fam, this is the next day. My hair is all stretched out, okay, and this is what I have. Don't mind my face. I applied sunscreen and I was sweating, like I was sweating a lot. That is why you see my face a bit ashy. So love, I'll see you all in my next video. This is my wash day routine. I hope you enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.